Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. Excel has the function of removing grid lines from the whole cell, but it doesn't have function to remove specific grid lines from specific cells in Excel. To remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel, you can first open your Excel on your PC. Then here you can select the particular cells that you want to remove your grid lines from. After this, go to your home on the top of the Excel. Then here you can see small bucket icon. On the side here you can see downward triangle. Click on the downward triangle. Now here you can see theme colors. Now you need to select white color. With this, now the particular cells that you have selected will be filled with white color. With this, the grid lines from the given cell will disappear. Here you can see the cells that I have selected has no grid lines. Even though you remove the grid lines, the cell still acts as normal ones. This is how we can remove grid lines from specific cells in Excel. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.